Welcome everyone to my channel today. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve issues with opening Windows security, particularly if you're encountering an error indicating limited access by your IT administrator. Follow these steps carefully. First, locate a functional Windows 11 computer where Windows security is operational. Navigate to the following directory: File Explorer, this PC, C drive, a Windows System 32, Security Health. Within this folder, locate securityhealthsetup.exe and copy it to an external storage device. Next, connect the external storage to the affected computer and paste the copied file into the corresponding directory mentioned earlier. Restart your computer and check if the issue persists. If it does, proceed to run the securityhealthsetup.exe as an administrator. If you don't have access to another Windows 11 computer, you can download the securityhealthsetup.zip file from a trusted source, such as the Microsoft Forum. Extract the downloaded file, run the setup as administrator, and restart your computer. If the problem persists, you can try running specific commands provided in the video description. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, execute the commands, and restart your computer after each command. If none of the above solutions work, the final step is to update your Windows 11 using the Media Creation tool. Download the tool from the official website, create a Windows 11 ISO file, and proceed with the installation process. Following these steps should help resolve the issue with Windows security on your Windows 11 computer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content.